Hello and welcome to another video of my channel Yusuf Bekman. So on today's episode I'll be talking about how to post and optimize your engagement and your Facebook and Instagram account for optimal exposure. Now if you look at this is a typical Facebook page. This is my own Facebook page, which is different from a profile, and this is my Instagram account. So I want to show you how you can use one of the most amazing updates that Facebook has to schedule and also know the best time to post your stuff, and even see similar stuff and similar posts which your competitors or your audience are doing. Now if you look at this, you'll see Metal Business Suits and you see a normal Facebook page and the like. So to get the whole thing you are looking for, you go to Metal Business Suits. So Facebook decided to input everything into one page from your post. Now you see that I've linked my Facebook page and my Instagram account here, and it makes it very easy to just reach out. Now they are even telling me now that I've not really set it up very well to get optimal, and you can see that you can see every details from your likes, your follow, to the engagement that is happening on your page, Now this is when last I've received, the recent posts, how my various accounts start. You see the interesting, you can even schedule a post. You can schedule a post both on your page and on your Instagram account, the most recent adverts and how much and the likes, which was like forever ago. So now to the aspect that is very important to us, which you can already see a glimpse of, is this planner. This one you're seeing here. Now this is how the planner looks like. You can either fix it for, this is February or March, you can either fix it per week, in April, sorry, you can either fix it per, so let me go to April. Now if you look at this, you can see that it's telling me now that I posted this. Now based on the information data it could gather, it's telling me now that the best time for me to post again on my Facebook will be Friday. Recommendation are based on when your followers were most active on Instagram and Facebook respectively in the last 7 days. As you can see, now it's telling me now that if I want to post Friday, which is today, funny enough, I should post 7 p.m. same thing on Instagram, and it's now telling me now again that if I want to post again, I have to post 4 p.m. on Monday and 7 p.m. on Sunday on Facebook. Now with this, now you are able to not just be posting, but be able to understand how this whole platform works. Now let's see if we can get the next month. Because this thing is an heavy work, now it has not gathered enough data, so it can't tell me save time by scheduling. So it's just basing this now, it's just telling me to schedule. It has not gathered enough information or data to be able to make a decision for me based on this. But the benefit of this now is for the next, today is April 15, 2022. From April to the end of this year, we can decide to schedule posts. and keep scheduling. You can see schedule post, schedule story, even schedule adverts if your account can still run adverts, which is very interesting. Now if you are selling something, or like I am an internet marketer now, I look at this, I post something, I look at the reaction, I come here again, I post something. Now the interesting thing is, it has told me what I can post, which is, this is new post. Sorry, I want to show you what it's gonna show like. So now, even after telling me the post, it's now telling me the best time of that day to post. Now this is 15. Today is 15, so it's going to schedule. It's advising me to post at 7 p.m. Now this is on the 17th, which is 2 days time. It's advising me to post at 9 p.m. and on Thursday it's advising me to post at 8 p.m. Now if I want to do anything now, I know that the best time for me to post on that day is everything to be scheduled for April 15, 2020. Now if you cancel this off and you choose optimal times, it brings it out for you automatically. So yeah, you just need to know what you want to post, how you want to post it. You will be able to see how it will look like. Now let me show a sample. The post preview can be displayed right now. Now it's loading. Now let me put an image to use. You can add hashtags. Now see. Now have you seen how it will look like? Now when you add hashtags, there's no currently trending hashtags. Recent hashtags, probably what you have used recently while you're posting on Instagram. And save hashtags. Maybe you have some hashtags that are saved. You see. Now we can easily just make a search. So let's say online business. As you can see how it looks like, it's telling you the reactions, the number of posts, and you can look at this and make your business decision or your posting decision based on this that you are seeing now. The interesting thing now is now turn into video as well. Maybe you have some series of images you want to post. Now let me upload a second image as well. So you see now that with this, as you can see what's happening here, you select the next image so that it's going to pop up, which is taking a while because of my network. Now I've selected two different images I want to use. Now create video using an image. So I can just pick any of these. So let's say I want to stick with this. I go to the next page and I can just edit accordingly. And we have it there. So that's not what we're here. So you schedule your post and you have it. Now the post I made very recent, because I've deleted it. Now it's telling me to schedule a post for today now. I can easily just look for a post and I'll put it here. So with this now, you'll be able to see that you can do your set up your schedule, know the optimal time for you to post without having to do much of a guessing game. Thank you very much.